Hi everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. Now I have a question for you. Have you ever done a figure drawing and you go to draw the head and you're a little bit unsure of how to fit that head onto the body? Well, basically in this video what I'm going to share with you is how I use a couple of lines to start mapping out the head. Getting the head in proportion to the body is a tough process for a lot of artists. I'm going to simplify it for you. We're going to start the process of fitting the head onto the body. If you like this video and you learn something from it, please subscribe to the channel or give the video a thumbs up. Let's get started. All right, time to branch out now. If the head looks too dark for you on the video monitor, you definitely want to download the photo of this model. You will be able to see everything so much clearer. What I'm doing is I'm just drawing that side little pocket of the pectoralis / breast area. That is a key area for me because it's a landmark of shadow. I can use it as a measuring tool. Now I look at where that shadow ends and I'm trying to figure out the deltoid and where the top of the shoulder starts. The top of the shoulder is an important key area because it will show whether the torso is too long or too short in the final drawing. Just kind of going slow and feeling things out. There's a shadow shape over here. Lat muscle coming up in the back there. I'm looking at the negative space. I'm trying to flow down with that line through the breast. There's a very severe angle where that pectoralis is starting to tuck into the humerus. Lots of things going on in my brain in terms of comparisons. I'm not ready to commit just yet. I'm looking at negative space. I'm thinking about the muscles. I'm thinking about shadow shapes. I want to try to incorporate a little bit of gesture and flow into the mix with a longer continuous line. You see, I'm trying to do that right there. There's the side plane shadow of that deltoid. Let's just place the collarbones, the clavicles with a gesture. And when I do that, I'm now comparing where are those clavicles in relationship to the bottom of the breast? Where are those clavicles in relationship to where the upper leg is? Shadow shape is going to be very useful up near the shoulders because then we can put that shape in where her neck touches the shoulders. Big shadow shape over there. Right now I'm just using these lines, these target lines, and the video's sped up, but I'm still drawing slow. I'm still stopping and looking and putting all these little lines in. They're called targets. It's just a little line to suggest where a body part is. You put that line down and you stop and you lean back. Do a little bit more, maybe raise that, stop and lean back and look. Very repetitive in my teaching, but this is good stuff. It's not rocket science, but I'm just trying to teach you things that are very easy for you to remember, things that are easy because I like easy, I don't like complicated. Let's try the other top of her shoulder there. Put the line in. We're comparing where that is to the bottom of the breast. A little shadow shape, deltoid area. Let's flow up with a gesture from the breast into the face. Wrap around just kind of the beginnings of where we want the head to be. If you can't see the head on this photo because the hair is blending into the background, download that photo. You will see it in that photo. I'm just committing to an edge of her hair. And as I'm doing this, I'm looking at the negative space and I'm flowing down with a gesture. Just a couple of lines, and now you got to just kind of sit with this for a little while and live with it and see how it feels. How does that head feel in relationship to her legs? Right now, for me personally, it's looking a little big. The video camera also is playing some tricks on us because the video camera is not perfectly square to the paper, but it's still too big. Okay, now is a great time for you to get up and look at your drawing from far away. I'll see you in the next lesson.